Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code U0038 indicates a PT CAN malfunction specifically related to the TCM, Transmission Control Module ECU. This error signifies that there is a communication failure resulting in a bus-off status on the CAN, Controller Area Network System, crucial for the operation of the vehicle's transmission system. In a Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021, components such as the TCM and PCM, Powertrain Control Module, are intricately interlinked via the TM CAN lines. These lines facilitate communication within the vehicle's electronic systems, ensuring that the TCM receives necessary data to manage transmission effectively. In the presence of this DTC code, the ability of these modules to communicate is compromised, which may severely affect vehicle performance and drivability. Prior to repairs, thorough diagnostics is necessary to confirm the precise source of the fault within the CAN communication system. The DTC code U0038 pertains to the PT CAN malfunction, indicating a failure in communication between modules, particularly between the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The TCM is responsible for managing transmission operations, receiving input on vehicle speed, throttle position, and other parameters to optimize shifting behavior. Located typically under the dashboard near the driver's side or in the engine bay, the TCM connects with the PCM through dedicated communication wires known as TM-CAN-H and TM-CAN-L. These wires are integral in transferring information between the modules, allowing the TCM to adjust its operations based on data received from the PCM. When the DTC U0038 is present, it indicates that the TCM is not communicating effectively, which can lead to erratic transmission behavior or, in more severe cases, total transmission failure. Several factors can trigger DTC U0038. The primary cause often stems from an open circuit in the TM-CAN communication wires, specifically between the TCM and the PCM. This condition results in a lack of necessary communication, thereby preventing the TCM from receiving input or sending output effectively. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning TCM or PCM, which may occur due to internal failures or software issues that disrupt normal operations. Additionally, poor connector contacts or corrosion at the terminals can lead to intermittent connectivity, causing communication breakdown. Before diving into repairs, each of these potential causes must be assessed to identify the root of the issue accurately. The symptoms associated with DTC U0038 can significantly affect driving experience and safety. One noticeable issue is erratic transmission performance, where the vehicle may experience delayed or harsh shifts. In some cases, the transmission may not shift at all, leading to an inability to change gears, which can render the vehicle undrivable. The check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard, indicating that the vehicle's computer has detected a problem. Drivers may also encounter unresponsive or inconsistent throttle behavior, owing to the failure of the TCM to relay crucial information to the PCM. Understanding these symptoms is vital for diagnosing and addressing the root cause effectively. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC U0038 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position. This action energizes the vehicle's electronic systems, allowing diagnostic tools to access relevant data. Following this, the DTC must be cleared using the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, which is a specialized tool designed for Honda vehicles. Clearing the DTC resets the system and helps determine whether the error was a one-time occurrence or indicates a persistent fault. After clearing, the technician should check for pending or confirmed DTCs again through the HDS. If DTC U0038 remains, it suggests a confirmed issue with communication, guiding the technician to proceed with further diagnostic steps. Conversely, if no DTCs are present, this may indicate an intermittent failure, necessitating a thorough check of connections and terminals. In this step, the technician must evaluate the communication status of the AT automatic transmission system using the HDS. This critical procedure helps determine if the HDS can successfully establish a connection with the AT system. If communication is established, it indicates that the problem likely lies elsewhere within the system, suggesting the technician should move on to the next troubleshooting step. However, if the HDS cannot communicate with the AT system, it likely necessitates a deeper investigation into symptoms related directly to the automatic transmission. Diagnosing directly through the HDS can reveal additional DTCs or provide insight into existing transmission issues, highlighting which parts of the system require closer inspection. In this third troubleshooting step, focus shifts to checking the TCM communication line. First, the vehicle must be turned to the off mode to ensure safety. Technicians can then short the SCS sensor control system line with the HDS, which is critical for testing communication pathways. After this, disconnect the PCM connector A 50P and the TCM 50P connector to prepare for continuity testing. Continuity must be checked between specific test points. TCM 50P connector number 4 and PCM connector A 50P number 21. Should continuity be established, it confirms the TCM wire is functioning properly, leading the technician to proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If continuity is not present, it necessitates repairs to address an open in the TCM wire that could be inhibiting communication between the TCM and PCM. The final troubleshooting step involves checking the TCM communication line. As with the previous step, it should be conducted with the vehicle in the off or lock mode to ensure safety during the testing process. The technician is again required to check continuity between two designated points, TCM 50P connector number 12 and PCM connector A 50P number 20. A positive continuity test indicates that the TCM wire is functioning correctly, suggesting no faults within this line. In such a case, further investigation should be conducted, such as consulting authorized service data or substituting a known good PCM to see if the issue persists. However, if there is no continuity, it confirms an open circuit in the TCM wire, necessitating repairs to restore proper communication between the TCM and PCM. After completing all necessary repairs for DTC U0038, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure the vehicle's systems are functioning properly. This involves rechecking for any DTCs using the HDS to confirm that no error codes remain active. Verifying the restoration of communication between the TCM and PCM is essential to ensure that the diagnostic issues have been fully resolved. Furthermore, a comprehensive system check should be performed to ensure that all vehicle functions are operating as expected, particularly within the transmission system, which was affected by the initial DTC error. If everything appears operational without new DTCs, the repair can be considered complete. Documenting all findings and repairs is beneficial for future reference and potential follow-up. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future occurrences of DTC U0038 and ensuring the longevity of the TCM and PCM systems in the Honda Civic. Regular checks of the connectors, including clearing away any debris or corrosion that may form, can prevent communication failures. Keeping an eye out for any signs of wear or damage in the wiring, particularly the TM CAN lines, is crucial to maintaining reliable communication. Additionally, ensuring that both the TCM and PCM software are up to date can enhance performance and stability. By implementing these maintenance practices, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this DTC code again, streamlining vehicle performance and reducing repair costs over time. In conclusion, understanding DTC U0038 and its implications is vital for any Honda Civic owner or technician. This error signifies a serious communication failure between the TCM and PCM, which can lead to severe operational issues if not addressed promptly. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps in a rigorous manner can help pinpoint the exact cause of the malfunction, whether it be faulty wiring, bad connectors, or failing components. Regular preventive maintenance, including checks on connectors and software updates, plays an essential role in minimizing the risk of reoccurrence. By staying ahead of potential issues, you ensure optimal vehicle performance and reliability, enhancing both safety and driving pleasure. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.